Hello friends, today we are going to prepare Rajgira God Papdi. To prepare the Rajgira God Papdi, these are the following ingredients. 1 cup of Rajgira flour, 1 cup of jaggery powder, some little dry fruits, little powder of gond, half cup of ghee. Now we are going to prepare the Rajgira God Papdi. Process is, first heat the pan, then put some ghee into that. Then after the ghee is heated, we are going to put the Rajgira flour slowly. Then roast the flour slowly, continuously stirring until you get the aromatic smell. The paste is ready. We are going to add some dry fruits and 1 teaspoon gond powder to it and roast it for 30 seconds. So friends, now the flour paste is completely ready for the papdi, making the papdi. Now we'll switch off the flame and let it cool down for 2 minutes. So friends, my paste is cooled down. Now we are going to add the jaggery powder into it and mix it until it melts completely. See, now the mixture is ready and we are going to transfer it to a greased plate. We have greased it with the ghee. We'll transfer it and spread it all over the plate with a spatula. See, I have spreaded the mixture on the greased plate. Now we'll let it set for 2 minutes. Now we are going to cut the mixture into the small pieces. See, my mixture is completely ready. I have cut it and now we are going to decorate this with some dry fruits of your choice. See friends, now our God Papdi is ready and I have decorated into the plate. Delicious God Papdi is ready to eat.